Hey Weekenders, so as most of y'all know, we recently got the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary cookbook. And as you can see, we've picked out a lot of recipes that we really want to try at home. And tonight we're going to do a really special one. I am going to be doing the fried chicken from Hoop-Dee-Doo. So Hoop-Dee-Doo recently came back and the show started again. So we thought now was a really good time to try the fried chicken. So come with me into my kitchen and let's make some fried chicken, y'all. Okay, so step one for this fried chicken recipe is you are going to need to brine your chicken. So we decided to use chicken legs, but the recipe does call for a medium chicken, 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 legs, 2 drumsticks. And the brine is made up of 3 quarts of cold water, 3 tablespoons of like coarse kosher salt, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. So I mixed all of those together, poured it over the chicken, and then this sat in the fridge for 8 hours is how long it needs to brine. Now that we have taken the chicken out of the brine and patted it dry, next step is going to be to mix your dredge. So I'm really used to a buttermilk dredge, and this is not it. That was just the brine. And then this is the mix. So this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch. Yeah, I know, a lot of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon again of that coarse kosher salt, and then 2 teaspoons of, it calls for white pepper, but I didn't have white pepper, so I just used black pepper. Okay, so now that you've mixed all of your breading ingredients, next thing you want to do is heat up your oil. So you are going to be using canola oil for this recipe, and you're going to need about 3 inches in depth in order to fry everything properly. You're going to want to get it up to 350 degrees. You can use a candy thermometer, or you can use my southern trick. Just sprinkle a little flour in there, and if it sizzles, it's ready to go. That is not scientific by any way, form, or fashion. Also, I want to let you know that in the flour mixture, it's not garlic powder, it's onion powder. Sorry, I lied. Just make sure I don't think it really matters. Okay, it's time to do some frying. So we got the flour mixture all over our legs. And so now we're just going to go ahead and drop them in the oil. You are going to do this in batches. You don't want to overcrowd the pot. So really max 3 of these or 3 pieces of chicken at a time. And then you'll just transfer it back to another cookie tray so that you can sop up all the extra oil or anything like that. So let's do this. Ready for that sizzle? Oh, yes. Okay guys, so our first 3 legs came out a little bit light. They're not exactly as fried chickeny as I would like them to look. So I went back and looked at the recipe. I actually was not supposed to pat off the brine. Sorry, I lied. I'm really on a roll today. First it was the garlic powder, now it's the patting dry of the brine. So what we're doing is we're going back for the rest of the ones that we had. I'm going back in and I am double dipping them in the flour just to make sure I get a really thick coat on them. We're gonna fry these up and see if they come out any better looking than the others. Okay, here is your finished Hoop-Dee-Doo fried chicken. I'm just gonna serve this with mashed potatoes, green beans, and a sliced cornbread. But let's give it a try. Look at the steam coming off that. Okay, that's real good fried chicken, y'all. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. We really appreciate y'all taking the time to watch our videos. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Have a great weekend.